Okay, here's April 2nd. Having a bit of bad weather, so we'll come at you with a video of some Abu Garcia rods and some reels and stuff I use for bank fishing. So we'll start it off with spinning rod. Okay, this is the original Abu Garcia Vengeance. It is a 7'4" medium, 1/8 half ounce lure rating, 6 to 15 pound line, and it's paired with a reel that's about as old as it is. It's a Abu Garcia. Let's see. It's a Cardinal SX30, and it's paired with 15-pound braid, the yellow braid, and it has an 8-pound fluorocarbon leader on it. Next, another spinning rod. This is the reel is a Revo X30, and it has 15-pound braid, and it's probably got a 30 or 40 foot 6-pound fluorocarbon leader on it. And the rod is a Vendetta. It's a little, I don't know what generation it is, probably the 3rd generation, and it's 6'9" medium light, 1/8 half ounce lure rating, 6 to 10 pound line. It's a nice little combo there, and it's got a Ned rig tied onto it. And we got an old Garcia Cardinal rod, Abu Garcia Cardinal rod. It's a tournament grade, and it is a 6'6" medium light, lure rating 1/8 to 5/8, 4 to 10 pound line, full cork. It's an old rod, and the reel is a Abu Garcia Cardinal 302, and it's got Mr. Crappie line, 8-pound on it, and it's got a 6-pound fluorocarbon leader on it, and it's set up adjustable drop shot rig using bobber stops. That's it for the spinning. Now we go to casting. Right here we have an Abu Garcia Veritas. It is a 6'10" medium light, 1/8 half ounce lure rating, 6 to 12 pound line. This is again 6'10" rod, medium light, and we got a Revo S on it, 6:4 to 1 gear ratio, and it's got a carbon fiber handle on it. And this has a 6-pound mono on it. It's got a popper tied onto it. Okay, we got another Abu Garcia Veritas rod. This one is a 7-foot medium, 1/4 ounce to 5/8 ounce, 6 to 17 pound line. And this has a Shimano Casitas on it, 6'3" to 1 gear ratio. This reel casts a mile. It is the 150 Shimano Casitas. Hear that train going. here we got a Abu Garcia Vendetta. It is a 7-foot medium, 1/4 ounce, 5/8 ounce lure rating, 8 to 17 pound line. And we have a Abu Garcia Generation 2 SX. It is 6:4 to 1 gear ratio. Change the handle out to that thing. And it has Texas rig worm on it. Big long one. I think it's a 10-inch one. And the foam was tore up, so kind of tore up on it, so I put these wing grips on it. Looks pretty good. Got another rod used for top waters. This is the Abu Garcia Violate rod. It is a 7'2", moderate medium, 3/8 to 3/4 ounce lure rating, 8 to 17 pound line. And it's got the Abu Garcia Revo SX on it. It's Generation 2. And its speed is 7:1 to 1. Changed handles, put this one on there. Works pretty good. And it has 8 pound mono on it. It casts a mile. Next we got a crankbait rod. We have Abu Garcia Veracity. And this is the 7'11" heavy, 3/8 to 1 ounce lure rating, 12 to 20 pound line. And it's paired up with a Revo winch. It's the black one. And you know, it's 5'3" to 1, I put in the 5'4" to 1 gear ratio, and it has 12 pound lure clear on it. Okay, this is a new rod I just bought for this reel. It's a Abu Garcia Vengeance. It's a 7.5 heavy, no 7.6 heavy, and it's 1/2 ounce to 2 ounce lure rating, 14 to 30 pound line. And I got this old USA 500, and it's paired up with 12 pound mono, Berkeley Big Game mono. Changed the handle, put new drag washers in it, and cleaned her up real good. Works pretty good. I made them wooden handles. Handle knobs there. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I'll use it for something. Hey, we got another Vendetta. It's an older one. It's 7'6" medium heavy, 1/2 ounce to 3 ounce lure rating, 12 to 25 pound line. And it's paired up with a Revo S 6'4" to 1, and changed the handles on both it. This one is and painted it white and put big foam knobs on it. And this one has, I believe it has 12 pound P-line floor clear on it. Pretty good rod and reel setup. Okay, we got us a newer Vendetta than that last one, and it's a 7'6" heavy. And I don't get it because this one's 3/8 to 1 and 1/2 ounce, and this is heavy. That medium heavy's mover ratings all the way up to 3 ounces. Well, and it's 14 to 30 pound line. And it's got a Revo S on it, 6-1, same deal as the other reel. It's got power handle on it. It's got the great big knobs on it that come off a Revo Toro 60. And it has 15 pound floor clear on it, which, you know, I'm probably going to wind up changing the line out of both of these. Go to 20 on this and probably braid the leader on the medium heavy. And there's that. Some of these will probably change. I got a jig tied onto this. Well, that's my older Abu Garcia rods and older reels. That's it for the video today.